Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar, and you are watching Moon 333. Today I want to discuss with you about this bullish crab pattern that was formed on the 2-day chart by the XLM price action, and the final leg was completed during the recent strong bearish trend that we have seen in the month of March. And I would like to show you this falling wedge pattern that is formed on the weekly chart, and also these two bullish signals. As I discussed with you in my previous video, then I was waiting for these two more bullish signals for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And I would like to discuss with you about the moving averages, how the moving averages are turned bullish on the daily chart. And I would like to also show you the different resistance levels on the long-term chart that the XLM has to fight with them in the future. And I would like to also show you this bullish bad pattern that the XLM formed back in 2016 to 2017, and after taking a powerful bullish divergence, it's produced more than 4,000% profit. And now the same as like the previous move, the XLM has formed another bullish bad pattern. Now let's start the video, but before starting the video, I would like to request you, if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information I'm providing here, guys, is for educational purpose only. And if you like the video, then do hit the like and do share my videos. First of all, I would like to show you this bullish crab pattern that we have discussed in my previous video as well. That after that, the previous strong bearish move, the final leg was completed by the price action of XLM, and we have seen that the price action only hit the spike in this potential reversal zone or buying zone of this bullish crab pattern. And I predicted, as per Fibonacci sequence, I said that it should take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone and it should enter in this area, that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And I just published this idea on 23rd of March, and I also posted the video on this move as well. I'm now playing this idea, then you can see that it has produced more than 93% profit, and now the price line is struggling or trying to break out the 0.786 Fibonacci level. And at this same level, we have the resistance of this falling wedge pattern on the long-term weekly chart as well. As in my previous video, I just shown you this chart, and at that time we can see that the price line was hitting at the support of this falling wedge pattern on this weekly chart. And I at that time I just discussed with you that I'm just waiting for these two more signals, like for example this momentum indicator and this stochastic indicator as well on this weekly chart. Once this momentum indicator will be turned weak bearish from the strong bearish, like it was turned here, and once we will receive a stochastic bull cross, this blue line will cross up this red line, then after that we can expect that the price line will turn again bullish and it will make another attempt to break out this resistance level. And we can see that the price line, the movement of the price line is very much synchronized with these two indicators. Average researched on this very well, and I want to show you this, that for example here we can see that first time when it was hitting at the support of this falling wedge, and we have received a bull cross, stochastic bull cross, and the momentum turned weak bearish, and we can see that the price line turned strong bullish, and it has hit at the resistance of the falling wedge. And when again the price line dropped down at the support of this falling wedge, and we received the bull cross from the stochastic, and after that we have received a weak bearish signal from the momentum indicator. Then we can see that it was again turned bullish, but this time the price line could not reach at the support, at the resistance level of this falling wedge. And after that, when the price line again hit at the support of this falling wedge, and the momentum was already weak bearish, and when we received a bull cross, the stochastic bull cross, then we can see that the price action again turned bullish and make another attempt to break out this resistance of the falling wedge. And now if we see the current situation, then we can see that we have received a stochastic bull cross by the stochastic indicator on 6th of April, and we have received a weak bearish signal, that is a kind of bullish signal, by the momentum indicator on 13th of April, and we can see that now the price action is attempting to have a breakout from this falling wedge pattern. There is another very important point and indicator. I always use this volume profile indicator whenever I find any pattern, and you can see that when I am placing this volume profile on the complete price action moving within this falling wedge pattern, then we can see that we have received a result that the trader's interest is very low, below almost 3.8 cents. And here we can see that when the price line moved below this level, where we had a very weak interest of the traders, the price line again took a powerful bullish divergence, and now it is making another attempt to break out this resistance level. Now, in my personal opinion, this time there are strong chances that the price line will break out this resistance of the falling wedge. There are two reasons behind that. The one reason is that if we see the Bollinger Bands, for example, we have an attempt by the price line here to break out the resistance of the falling wedge, but here we can see that we had a strong resistance of the Bollinger Band as well. Bollinger Band was below the resistance of the falling wedge resistance. Therefore, the price line just it stopped the price line to have a breakout from here. And after that, we can see that at this attempt, again, we had a strong resistance of the Bollinger Band, but this time we can see that we have the Bollinger Bands, the upper bands of the Bollinger Band, or the resistance of the Bollinger Band, above the resistance of this falling wedge resistance. And we can also see that the Bollinger Band is slightly moving up and showing the tendency that it is making or paving the way for the price line to provide help for the breakout this time. And the other reason, if we switch to the smaller time period chart on the daily base chart, then we can see this time the price line has aggressively crossed up all the simple moving averages from 25 up to 200 simple moving average. This blue one is the 25, this green one is the 50 moving average, this red one is the 100, and this black one is the 200 simple moving average, very strong resistance. And we can see that the price line, after turning bullish, has crossed up this first is 25 simple moving average, then it has broke out this 50 simple moving average resistance. After that, it has broken out this 100 simple moving average, and finally it has broken out a very strong resistance of 200 simple moving average. And now you can see that we have all these four simple moving averages working as a support for the price line. And now the moving averages are starting or forming a golden cross with each other. For example, first of all, we have received this golden cross by the 25 simple moving average has formed a golden cross with 50 simple moving average. Now it has formed the golden cross with 100 simple moving average. After that, it will form the golden cross with 200 simple moving average. Then we will have the golden cross between 50 to 100, then 200, and this will be the main golden cross that will produce a very, very powerful bullish move, because the golden cross on daily chart among the traders community is considered as a powerful golden cross that can produce a very powerful bullish move, and it produces a bullish move most of the cases. And this time we can expect that when this golden cross will be triggered, then the price line will be moved more bullish, or it will be turned more bullish. And after that, we will have the golden cross between the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages. And after that, a complete alligator mouth of these moving averages will be opened, and we will have the order of the moving averages in this way that the 200 simple moving average will be below all the simple moving averages. Then we will have the 100 simple moving average above the 200 simple moving average. Then we will have the 50 simple moving average and the 25 simple moving average. That is the smallest simple moving averages among these moving averages will be above all these moving averages, and a complete alligator mouth will be opened, and after that all four moving averages will lift the price action more up. At this time we have a very strong support of all these simple moving averages. Now if I turn again back to the weekly chart, then we can see that we have upcoming two major resistance levels. First is coming at the 9 cent, and after that the next resistance level is coming at the 14 cent. This 9 cent resistance level is a very strong resistance level that we can see that first it was working as a support in Feb 2019, and after that, since it is broken down, the price line has made several attempts to break out this resistance level, as we can see, but could not break out this resistance level so far. So this time we will have a major first resistance level at 9 cents, and once it will be broken out, then the price line may retest this resistance level, and after that successful retest, it can take another bullish divergence to make an attempt to break out this 14 cents resistance level. Now I would like to take you back to the 2016 to 2017 when the price line of XLM formed a very big bullish garland pattern on the weekly chart, and we can see that after entering in the potential reversal zone of this garland pattern, this was a bad pattern, and after entering in the potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern, between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci level, it took a very powerful bullish divergence and produced more than 4,000% profit. You can see here up to 51 cents. It produced more than 4,000% profit. So if we switch to the more bigger time period chart on the monthly chart, this time on the live chart we can see that on this monthly chart, the same as like the previous move, on the bigger time period chart, it has formed another bullish bad pattern, and this is more bigger bullish bad pattern, and it can produce more powerful bullish rally. But realistically, if we see as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish bad pattern, then it should enter in the potential in the Fibonacci projection area of 0.786, 382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to D leg, 0.382 to 0.786. So realistically, it can enter or hit this price level of from 23 cents up to 41.35 cents. So it has realistically, it has the capacity to produce up to 600% very huge profit. But guys, if the price line will be able to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci level, like here it has crossed, then it can produce more powerful bullish rally. But realistically, the XLM can hit this sell area from 23 cents up to 41 cents. But guys, remember this chart, this is a monthly long-term, very long-term monthly chart, and one candlestick represents a complete month. Therefore, this move can take some time and need some patience. But guys, to reach here, we need first breakout from this resistance level of this falling wedge pattern. Once this resistance level will be broken out, then we will have another resistance level on the weekly long-term chart that is 14 cents. And after breaking out this resistance level, the price line will move straight away up to 23 cents. And that will be our next resistance level as well. And after that, the more powerful bullish divergence will be dependent on how much powerful buying volume we will have. So this was the update so far by the XLM price action. It is definitely making a very marvelous move, and I think that soon the price line will hit this sell zone very soon. In my previous videos, we have already seen that the price line was moving even below this potential reversal zone, and I was waiting whether the price line will break down this potential reversals on or buying on or not. But we can see that this potential reversals on has worked as a very, very strong support, and we don't have even a single candlestick that has been closed below this, completely open and closed below this potential reversals on. And now we can see that after turning bullish more than 93%, the candlestick or price line is again retraced or entered back in this potential reversal zone. So we can expect that soon it will take this powerful bullish divergence and hit this sell zone from 23 cents up to 41 cents. So this was the update so far by the XLM price action. I'll definitely share more updates if I will have more developments by the price line of Stellar. So if you like the video, then do hit the like and do share my videos. Do share your comments in the comment section. I will definitely try my best to reach out your comments and reply them back as soon as possible. Take care. Goodbye.